Hi friends, I'm here with the easy mango custard recipe. For that, we need 500 ml of milk. Pour them. Stir them continuously so that it does not get burned. I have taken here 3 tablespoons custard powder. To that add quarter cup of milk and mix well. Make a lump-free mixture. Pour the custard mixture to the milk. Stir them continuously. Add 1 tablespoon sugar and let the sugar dissolve completely. You'll find out that after 10 minutes it turns out to be really creamy. Let it cool down completely. To a blender add quarter cup of mangoes. Blend them well. To a bowl add cold custard. Add the blended mango and mix them well. Add some mangoes, grapes, pears and apples. Fruits can be changed according to your wishes. Mix them well. Refrigerate it for an hour. After refrigerating, serve it. It's a simple dessert. I'm sure all the kids will love it. If you like the video, please don't forget to smash the like button and share with your friends and relatives. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it fastly.